Good morning, students. Welcome. Today we are going to start 2.2, a true story of a sea turtles. Here they are given you a story related to about the sea turtles. This is warming up questions. Now let's start with this lesson. A true story of sea turtles. We have surviving the white-bellied sea eagles in the summer that year. As we roamed the coast, one of the volunteers in our team saw some shallow pits with white eggshells nearby. Enquiries with the villagers told that they were turtle eggs. This came as a surprise. We had never come across a turtle eggs in our walk along the beaches of the Konkan in all these years. We decided to study this unusual occurrence further. We learned that the beach where we had found the eggshell had been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month after people smuggling silver bricks were caught in that area. But what we learned further shocked us the core. Now, in this paragraph, we are talking about the sea turtles. Some of the people have come here, some voluntary, हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, group of volunteers जो ये करते हैं, सर्वे करते हैं किसी चीज़ का. When they came over that, when सर्वे करने के टाइम को when they came, they saw some shallow pits with white eggshell. एक white eggshell उनको नज़र आया, अंडे के छिलके. जब उन्होंने लोगों से पूछा, when they asked and inquired with the villagers, they were totally surprised that they came to know that was the turtle's egg, and they had never come across turtle eggs in our walks along the beaches of Konkan in all these years. So what they were telling, they never came across such things before when they were walking along the beaches of the Konkan throughout the years. We decided to study this unusual occurrence further. Now they wanted to study about this occurrence. Means the first time they came to see this eggshell of the turtle, and so they wanted to make a survey. They wanted to make an inquiry. They wanted to study regarding this. So they made the things sealed. वहाँ के जो बीचेस को सील किए गए, सो दैट नो अदर स्ट्रेस पासेज, बाहर के जो लोग वगैरह वहाँ पे नहीं आए, बिकॉज बहुत सारे स्मगलिंग एंड ऑल इट हैज बीन ओवरऑल इन दैट एरिया. वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे स्मगलिंग्स वगैरह होते थे. सी लेवल्स में जो होते स्मगलिंग, जो चीज़ें से लाना जाना बोट में वगैरह, शिप में, वो बहुत चलती थी. एंड दे वांटेड टू स्टॉप ऑल दिस थिंग्स. But what we learned further shocked us to the core. Now we are going to study the thing, what happened, what they came to know when the volunteers came to know some unknown things, we can say, या ऐसी चीज़ें उन्होंने जानी जो उन्होंने कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं की थी. Let's go through it. Turtles next along the entire coastline of our state. There are a few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours in the morning. Throughout the year, when the female turtle comes on shore to nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. The egg hunters follow this trail right up to the nest, which is about half a meter deep. They dig up the nest and steal all the 100 to 150 eggs that are laid inside. These eggs are then either eaten or sold in the market. If a turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to leave till the laying is over. As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. This ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Schedule 1 First of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Okay, so what did I say? Some unusual occurrence the volunteers saw. What was that? They saw the shallow pits of the with white eggshells on the beach. When they inquired about that, they came to know they were the turtle eggs, and the volunteers had never seen before this turtle eggs in the Konkan areas throughout their walk this years, throughout the previous years. So what did they do? They just sealed the beach to the public so that no people will come to disturb the eggs. कोई भी लोग आएंगे नहीं और वो अंडे को डिस्टर्ब करेंगे. They came to know that the turtle के जो eggs है उसको चुराया जाता था. They were stolen by the public when they had access to the beach. जब वो भी बीच में आते थे तो क्या करते थे, जो टर्टल्स के एग होते थे उसको चुरा लेते थे. सो व्हाट दिस वॉलंटियर्स डू, उन्होंने क्या किया, उस बीच को सील किया ताकि कोई लोग वहाँ पर नहीं आए और कोई भी वो एग्स को ना उठाए. दिस इज अ रीज़न, ये रीज़न था कि वो बीच को सील किए. व्हाट डिड दे कम टू नो दैट इज सी टर्टल्स यूजुअली कम एशोर एट नाइट. जो ये है सी टर्टल्स जो है दे कम अक्रॉस अ नाइट टू ले एग्स, अंडे देने के लिए वो क्या करती है, रात को वहाँ पे शीशोर में नाइट में आती है. द पीपल हु आर आस्क्ड टू लिव, okay, the sea turtle used to come at the seashore at the night time to lay the eggs. Some of the peoples were keeping, so देखो, there were few peoples in every village who keep a combing the beach in early hours in the morning. मतलब there were some people to keep a eye when the eggs are laid. And what they used to do when the female turtles comes to shore to next and to lay eggs, she leaves behind the trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. जब वो अंडे रखने जाती है तो दे एक मार्क की तरह छोड़ती है when she is moving over there, just like a track of wheels on the sand. एक ट्रेस ट्रैक बना के जाती है. The egg hunters follow this trail right up to the next, which is about half a meter deep. तो द एग हंटर्स व्हाट दे डू, उसके पीछे पीछे जाते हैं और वॉच करते कि कहाँ पे वो अंडा रखती है. वेयर द सी टर्टल कीप्स ले हर एग्स अबाउट हाफ अ मीटर डीप, अंदर हाफ अ मीटर डीप वो अंडे अपने रखते हैं. दे डिग अप द नेक्स्ट एंड स्टील ऑल द 100 to 150 एग्स दे हैव लेड. तो ये पीपल्स लोग क्या करते हैं, 100-150 जितने भी अंडे रखे जाते हैं सी टर्टल्स, दे ऑल स्टोल देम, उसको वहाँ से चुराते हैं. दिस एग्स आर देन ईटन और सोल्ड इन द मार्केट. और ये अंडे को क्या करते हैं, या तो वो बेच देते हैं या दे ईट इट अप. इफ ए टर्टल इज स्पॉटेड व्हाइल इट इज लेइंग एग्स, it is allowed to live till the laying is over. As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. This ruthless practice is observed in all the parts of the world. Means what the people used to do when they come to know that the sea turtle is going to lay the egg, they will wait for that till she lays the eggs. जब तक वो अंडे अपने रख नहीं लेती, they will be waiting for that. As soon as she lays the eggs, तो क्या जब ये अंडा दे देती है तो what the people used to do, they used to kill the turtles. As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. This ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world, and this practice has been observed throughout the world. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under the Schedule First of the Indian Wildlife Protection. इसके इंडिया में सी टर्टल्स को प्रोटेक्शन दिए गए, इंक्लूडिंग द शेड्यूल 1 ऑफ द इंडियन वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन के अंतर्गत, दैट वाज पास्ड in 1972. That means turtles are given as much protection as tigers. यानी with this help of this protection, Wildlife Protection Act 1972, the sea turtles were given protection as the tiger has to get. मतलब जिस तरह हम लोग टाइगर्स को बचाने के लिए हम लोग प्रोटेक्शन या वो सेंचुरीज में ये ध्यान दिया जाता है, वैसे ही सी टर्टल्स को बचाने के लिए भी ऐसे एक प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट बनाया गया 1972 टू प्रोटेक्ट दैट सी टर्टल्स. उनकी आबादी को समान ये करने के लिए, प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, उनके प्रोडक्शंस को ये करने, सेफ रखने के लिए. Therefore, all this business of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtles is carried on a secret. सो दिस इज़ द रीज़न वाई, इसकी वजह से क्या चोरी छुपे लोग क्या है अंडों का चुराते हैं या उसे मारते हैं, किलिंग टर्टल्स एंड ऑल इन सीक्रेट वे, यानी ताकि किसी और को समझ में नहीं आए। अगर ये पकड़ा जाते हैं ये लोग तो क्या है उनके ऊपर ये एक्शन लिया जाता है एंड दे आर फाइंड और जेल्ड वॉट एवर इट इज़। सो ये सीक्रेटली ये सब अंडे चुराने का या टर्टल्स को मारने का ये क्या चोरी छुपे की जाती थी। We began to think seriously about it. We decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nests in Maharashtra. So this volunteer, what they decided, ये जो volunteers आए हुए थे वहाँ पे, what they decided that they will take a strict action. They will undertake a project for the protections of the conservation of the turtle. यानी टर्टल्स को प्रोटेक्ट किया जा सके और उनको कंजर्व कर सकते हैं एंड देयर नेस्ट इन महाराष्ट्र. We had no experience regarding sea turtles, so first of all we undertook a study of turtles. We contacted institutes that work for the protections of the turtles in the India. The next step was launching of turtle protections campaign at Vilas Taluka, Mandangad district, Ratnagiri. This was done with the support and cooperation of the forest department. Apart from of the campaign, a few local people were specially appointed to look for the turtle nest on the beach in the morning. When they came across the nest, they had to be careful, remove the eggs from the nest and bury them again in a smaller pit, but one protected with a wire fencing. They had to watch over the protected nest to prevent theft. So what they decided, the volunteers, they decided to protect the sea turtles and the eggs also, and to conserve this sea turtle. We had, what they are saying in this paragraph, that they had no experience regarding sea turtles. So first of all they undertook a study of turtles. उनको कोई भी sea turtles के बारे में experience नहीं था. So they wanted to study about the turtles. They contact the institute that work for the protection of the turtles and in India, मतलब जो turtle की protections के लिए जो काम करते हैं उनसे इन्होंने बातचीत वगैरह की and they work along with them. So the next step was launching of the turtles protection campaign. So a step was taken for the turtle protections at Velas Taluka, Mandangad district, Ratnagiri. This was done with the support of the cooperation of the forest department. And with the help of the forest department, they took a campaign to save the sea turtles and their eggs. As part of the campaign, a few local people were especially appointed to look for the turtle nest on the beach in the morning. तो few local people were involved. कुछ लोकल पीपल को भी उन लोग ने इन्वॉल्व किया ताकि जो अंडे सी टर्टल्स देते उसकी देख रेख करें. When they came across the nest, they had to carefully remove the eggs from the nest and bury them again in the smaller pit, but one protected with wire fencing. So what it was decided, as soon as the female lays the egg, that is carefully taken from that nest and it is buried in a small pit. एक जगह में गड्ढे बनाए जाते थे, उसमें बरी करके उसको छुपाया जाता था. वो ये सब लोकल पीपल लोग इनकी मदद करते थे ताकि अंडा को छुपाया जा सकता है. एंड देयर वाज फेंसिंग वाज डन अराउंड दैट पिट. वो जो पिट जो उन्होंने गड्ढे बनाए थे अंडे को संभाल के रखने के लिए ताकि उसको चुराया ना जा सके करके, और उसके बाजू में एक फेंसिंग किया गया था ताकि उस अंडे को सुरक्षित रखा जा सके. So it one protected with the wire fencing. They had to watch over the protected nest to prevent theft. तो उसको वो नज़र रखने के लिए कुछ लोगों को लोकल पीपल को हायर किए गए थे. In the year we could successfully protect 50 nests in this manner. So in this way they were able to protect 50 nests. इस तरह 50 नेस्ट को वो संभाल बचाने में कामयाब हो गए. When the babies hatched out of the eggs, what an event that was! The whole village rushed to the beach to witness the spectacle. When the babies were coming out of that, ये जो दृश्य देखा वो बहुत ही अच्छा था. So all people used to rush over there to see that this witnessing the coming of the child from the hatching the baby from the shell. When the tiny turtle hatchlings hurried across the silver lands to meet the rolling bundle sea, what an ovation they received from the onlookers. And when the baby came out of that eggshell, all were so happy that we started to clap and enjoying. They were very much proud of these things. Some of the elderly villagers confessed that though they had seen turtle eggs right from their school days, it was the first time that they had seen the hatchling rushing to the sea. Then what the मतलब कुछ बड़े बुजुर्ग लोग ने भी काफ़ी लोगों ने देखा था कि हंडों को छुड़ाया जाता है, ये सब कुछ जब से वो वहाँ पे मीन्स द लोकल पीपल्स दे नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट दैट, बट नो बडी केयर फॉर दैट थिंग्स एंड नो बडी बॉदर्ड एंड ऑल. किसी ने इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया या किसी ने इसके बारे में दखल देने की ज़रूरत नहीं महसूस की. नाउ दे वर क्वाइट हैप्पी टू सी दैट स्मॉल बेबीज आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ दैट हैचलिंग्स एंड रशिंग टुवर्ड्स द सी. उसको पहली बार वो ऐसे अंडे से बाहर आते हुए टर्टल्स को देख के खुश हो रहे थे और वो सी की तरफ जाते हुए देख के लोग बहुत उनको बड़ी खुशी हो रही थी उस वक्त. This was the first time they are seeing all this thing over there. Okay, now I am going to stop here. In the next lecture, I will be continuing the remaining part of the lesson. Bye. See you in the next lecture.